radio that we use in the rural fire service. It's a Motorola APX 6000XE. So to turn the radio on, just twist this top right hand button. That will power the machine on. The volume is also controlled via the top button. So the easiest way to change channels is do a channel search if you know the channel you're looking for. So in this case, we're going to search for PSN channel 110. So you press that center button for channel search, type in the keypad the number you're after, you press the search button, and that's automatically brought up 110 Castlereagh Alpha PSN channel. Now the other way you can search is you press the zone button to begin with, and you scroll through to search what zone you want. So in this case we're going to go to a simplex channel. That's 4, you hit select, and then there's a whole range of channels on those zones. So to change that, we're going to press the channel button, and we'll scroll through to the one that we want. So we're going to go to simplex 4A, which is channel 407. Press select. Now we want to go back to our standard zone channel. So depending on what zone you are, here at Castlereagh, we're still on a PMR network. So we just press and long press the home button, and that takes us back to a home channel, in this case 2209 Castlereagh PMR. And that's the basic functions. Off. Done. So moving on to the vehicle mounted radios now. These are also a Motorola. They're a hidden headset unit, and all the controls and functions are done by the handset. So if you're in a vehicle with more than one vehicle mounted radio, your secondary radio will have a yellow band around the screen that says secondary radio. You just need to make sure that if you do have two radios, the second one is either off or it's got a different channel select so you get feedback. So to turn these radios on, there's an on button at the top. You press and long hold. You'll see the green light on the right hand side of the screen, turn on, and the radio cycles on. So your volume control is on the left hand side here. And if you want to search channels, same as with the portable radios, press channel search, search channel you're after, and select search. It brings up 110 Castlereagh PSN Alpha. So if you do know the channel you're after, or you're not quite 100% sure and you need to search through to work it out, you can search by zone, scroll through to what you want. In this case we go to simplex, and you press the talk button to select. We go to search for channel, scroll through, go to simplex 2 Bravo, and press the talk button to confirm that selection. If you do want to go back to your primary channel, so in this case Castlereagh, all your radios will be programmed to your primary district channel. Just press and long hold that home button, and as you can see that cycles back to 2209 Castlereagh PMR.